Hello and welcome to the channel. It is day 3 of moving wood chips, and I'd like to show you what I've done up until day 2. I've done no work today, so today's progress is day 1 and day 2. So let's take a look at all the work I've done thus far before I get started on my day 3. My motto is do a little and do it often. And this is the pile so far. After 2 days, I have worked on this side right here and the opposite side. Haven't touched this, but of course you can see I have been working all this over here. Excuse the bumping. But this is what I've been working on thus far. Do a little and do it often. Let me show you where I place it. This is my memorial garden, and as you can see, I did some cleanup. You can hear the gate closing behind me. I did some cleanup, excuse my shadow, and I put bag wood chip and the wood chip that I got from the ChipDrop over here in my memorial garden bed. And I hope I'm not going too fast to make anyone sick or dizzy. Over here is not only my memorial garden, but this is my dog run. I no longer have any more dogs. Both of my girls have passed on, and the one that I took in, my sister is now her mommy, and so I have no more pets at home, but maybe one day. So this is my memorial and dog run. So all of these buckets, I collect rainwater in these buckets when it's raining. It has been raining off and on, so all of them are full, which is why I have the tops on them. I need to transfer this water into the rain barrels, the rain trash can, and the liquid fertilizer buckets. But behind these buckets is wood chips, because I'm oftentimes pulling weeds from back here, and I've decided I no longer want to do that. So wood chips, and I'm hoping that this is not going to be a problem in the future, but we'll see how it goes. I've sprayed everything down with bug spray. The entire house, every perimeter, all the perimeters have all been sprayed down multiple times. So wood chips and bug spray. I am now in the food forest, and as you can see, I began to lay wood chip down towards the back of the shed. I still have the path yet to do, but I did put some along the edging of the shed towards the back. And I've also put some down in the pathway right here on the front of the shed. As you can see, I have the wood chip right now mounded up. I did not smooth anything out. I just dumped it as I went. And all along here, I dumped wood chips. Excuse my shadow. And I stopped right here. Sorry you all can see my shadow. I showed you all the cut flower garden already, but I began to lay wood chips down right in this area. I need to lay a whole lot more, but of course I began to get tired. So what I did was I took all the empty bags of soil that I had collected over the years, and I began to add a bunch of wood chips in all these soil bags. I want to say I have 11. Not these right here. That's actual soil and coconut coir, and that's just my garbage bucket. But all of these bags right here, this is all wood chip. Now I do also have water hose on the ground. I'm going to be watering a little bit later on, so I just left it there. But I also have 2 old 5-gallon buckets that were deteriorating that I pulled out of the garden because they were tearing up. As you can see right there, when I lift them, they break. The handles are coming off. They're just brittle. So I've got that one there and one behind it. Those are also full of wood chip. So all this is bagged wood chips for what I need in the future for topping up my pots or whatever else. But I've also begun to lay wood chips down here. I stopped right here, and then I also put wood chips in this path going down, 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 down to right here. So let me get started on today's adventures, and I'll show you probably tomorrow what today consisted of. all the work I got done on today, day 3. So I'll see you all tomorrow. Now, before I get started, if it gets to be too much for me, I'm going to call it a day. I only am going to allot 3 hours of working these wood chips. But if I don't get to say goodbye, I'm going to say goodbye now. So I hope you all enjoyed today's quick video. Do me a favor, give me that thumbs up to tell YouTube that you like my content. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about today's video. Share the video, and I hope to see you either in my kitchen or my ever-growing food forest real soon. Bye for now, because I got work to do, and I've been doing this all by myself. Bye for now. It almost slipped my mind. If you're going to be working with wood chips, you need to have a hat on if it's hot, probably something to catch sweat. I've got a little headband there to catch some sweat. You need glasses, and you also need some type of respirator or mask, because wood chips have a lot of dust and particles in it. It is breaking down. It is hot in the inside. You will see the heat coming from it. You don't want to get wood chips in your eyes or breathe anything in. So, public service announcement. If you're going to be working with wood chips, do your best to protect yourself. Bye for now.